far it's been a pretty cool day. Gotta be careful through there, that's icy. I got my snowshoes in the back, see? Because I was running around through town, had to get my coffee. Had to get coffee. Some idiot decided to park his truck in the middle of the road. Watch this, watch this. So some idiot decided to park his truck way the hell out here, in the middle of Lake George. So now I gotta walk all the way back. Alright, not that I mind that. But, after this, I'll jump in the truck. I'm gonna drive over to where the races are, see what's crap and whacking over there. And afterwards, it's gym time. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Because I'm feeling a little squishy in the midsection. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 days. Not liking that. So, let's take a tour over here. Let's see what's crack-a-whacking. I hope I don't fall on camera. I'd be so mad. I'd be so mad, guys. Okay. We're at the truck. Let's go head over there. Well, made it back over here. Just sitting in the truck right now, just chilling. Got front row to these races here, which is just awesome. It's awesome. We're at, here's the track. Let me roll down the window here so you guys can hear a little bit. We're right here, right at the starting line. Still a whole heap of people here. So, guys, this has been an awesome, awesome day. And I'm really glad that I could share it with every single one of you. That really does mean a lot to me. It's Derek's truck back there. Everybody's just kind of hanging out right now and just drifting and just having some fun. My mother came, Savannah. She's got her snowshoes on. She's rocking out. Got the boys over here. Nick was having a blast. Surf vapes a lot. Make sure to get Derek. You know what's really funny? My camera has a square around his face and her face, but not his.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, now it does, but it's black. That's white and that's white. Doesn't recognize you as a human.
Maybe it's the height.
That's my mama. I've been beating the balls out of her truck all day, and actually she's supporting it. How awesome is that? Such a supportive woman. What? Time for me to go. Alright, so guys, if you like my video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that little like button and also that little bell. That way you know when I post out more and more videos. Look at all these guys, huh? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Sean, aka High Roller 1969. I am out. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. Bye. Go!